So here is the installation method of the AirTag and SmartTag trackers for Apple and Samsung. So we have this one. Go ahead and stick the AirTag in the holster, and then for the SmartTag, I'm going to stick the SmartTag in the holster. So first we're going to remove the 4 screws underneath the front bumper. First, here's the AirTag. I'll put it right here, and then slide it in through the groove, and that's secure. That's not going anywhere. With this design, we don't need to use any double-sided tape. For the SmartTag, we're going to go ahead and stick it between the motor and the sensor pad plug. Just put it right there. It's going to go ahead and connect to the wire. So it's pretty good there. And once you close this, the front bumper, and if you purchase the Star security screws with the nipple inside, so not just anyone, unless they have this tool, can remove the front bumper and take out the trackers. Put that in. And so yeah, so the security screws are going to replace these two in the front part of the bumper. Go ahead and screw that in. That's it.